I really like that, and it makes the room, an entire part of the house, feel very open. As we get to the dining area, you could see that it's kind of a small space. So ideally, you're not going to have more than 4 people here outside of a couple people sitting at the bar, which is absolutely okay because that's where the open space really ties in. So you could be in the living room entertaining guests, but still be in the kitchen cooking and have a completely flowing conversation and not feel like anyone else is cut off.